I'm here in Rio de Janeiro in beautiful Brazil with my grammar goat English quiz. Answer all the questions correctly and you win Greg the Grammar Goat. Let's see how the people of Rio do with my quiz. And let's see how you can do too. Let's start the quiz. Hi, very nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Giselle. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Stefania.
Alexander.
Victoria.
Lucas.
Bastian.
Ariane.
My name is Diego.
Catarina.
My name is Pedro.
My name is Karine.
Karine, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Karine, are you ready for my English quiz?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's try. Look at the picture. What is it?
Oh my gosh. It's a church.
You're very near. There's an at the end.
Charger.
A charger. Correct.
Yeah.
Well done.
Okay, I can see a coffee, and I think that's for like a food box to take.
So it's the thing that you put around the coffee.
Okay, you wrap the coffee with
so you
that.
don't burn your fingers.
Like a holder?
A holder, yeah, great. Yeah, you'd call it a holder or a sleeve as well. Perfect. Point. Well done. What is it in English?
I forgot.
That's okay. That's okay. It's scales. Scales.
Scales, sorry.
Yeah. Can you teach me the Portuguese word?
Balança.
Balança.
In Portuguese is balança.
Look at the picture. What are they?
Shin pads.
Fantastic. Well done. Lucas, are you a footballer?
Oh, yes. I'm a Boca Juniors fan.
Oh, amazing. What an incredible team. Yeah. What position do you play?
Defender.
Okay.
Or midfielder.
I don't know, in French it's called, in English it's a charger. I have no clue what it's called, but I think it's charger for me.
You're very close. So yeah, a charger for like phones and
Exactly,
laptops
yeah.
and
But
things.
I don't know exactly what the name of this specific
Okay,
thing.
that's okay. So in English it's called a plug.
Ah, the plug, yeah, of course. Makes sense.
I don't know.
That's okay. So in English it's a spatula.
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 What is it in Portuguese? Teach me.
Isso. Espátula também. Espátula. Espátula.
Spatula.
Spátula. Yes.
Oh, the pronunciation is really difficult for me.
Yes. Similar, but it's very different too.
What is it?
Iron.
Perfect. Well done. No hesitation. Excellent, Diego.
I am study today.
Can you please?
Yeah, please hold. You find it at an airport.
Carrier?
Yeah, it is a carrier, so it's to carry luggage.
Yeah, carry luggage.
Do you know the name of it in English?
No. No.
That's okay. So in English, it's called a trolley.
Oh, trolley.
Did you know?
Yeah, I know now.
It's okay. All right, no problem.
Like a baby stroller or something like that.
Yeah.
Stroller.
Excellent. Yeah, a stroller or a pram.
Brown.
Yeah.
Store.
Yes, very good. Kalinia, do you like coffee? Do you drink a lot of coffee?
Yes, I love.
The next question is another vocabulary question.
Okay.
Give me a letter of the alphabet.
A.
Okay.
B.
Any letter? A.
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 A. Okay.
B.
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 Letter B.
Annie.
B.
Amazing. Everyone is choosing B today. So you're going to give me 3 words starting with the letter A. So firstly, a country.
Alabama. Não, Alabama é estado. Meu Deus, me dizem país com A. Germany, no. It's Alemanha for us. Argentina.
Correct.
Okay, a country, Brazil.
Okay, amazing.
Argentina.
Perfect.
Country. Brazil.
Brazil.
Easy one. Yeah.
Alemanha.
Oh, but what's the English words? Do you know?
Oh, yeah, English. I sorry.
That's okay. How about Argentina?
Argentina, yes.
Okay, Australian.
Bhutan.
Yeah.
Brazil.
Oh, easy.
Belgium. 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 I don't know how to pronounce it. Belgium.
Perfect. Belgium. Yeah, not Brazil.
Oh, I thought. I didn't think about that one.
I think you're going to find this one easy with the letter B. A country.
Brazil.
Hey, amazing. Well done. A food.
Amandita.
Oh, what is it?
It's a sugar bonbon.
Oh, like a sweet.
Yeah, sweet.
Okay, food. It could be. Oh, my mind's completely empty right now, but it could be breakfast. Does it count?
It counts. That's fine.
Food, alface.
Oh, what is it?
Alface is the vegetable.
Oh, can you describe it?
It's alface is it's a green vegetable. It's common in the foods of it's the foods of Brazilian people.
Okay, I'm going to try it.
Food can be
Burger.
burger. Okay.
Burger.
Burger, yeah, unhealthy but delicious. Yeah.
Banana.
Brazilian food?
Any food.
Angu.
Okay, all right. What is it?
It's Brazilian food. It's amazing. Yeah, do you eat it and together and carne? Como é que fala carne em inglês?
Meat?
Meat. Yes.
Oh, so it's a meat dish.
Yeah. It's good. Mixed. Angu mixed meat. It's amazing.
Apple.
Think about a yellow fruit.
Banana.
Bacon.
Banana.
The last one, a sport.
Atletism.
Yeah, athletics.
It's a sport?
Correct. Yes, it is. Yeah,
Okay.
very good.
Sports, athletic.
Sports.
Basket.
Okay, basketball.
Basketball.
Beach volley.
Yeah, and they're very good at beach volleyball in Brazil, aren't they?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just some filler over there.
Yeah, exactly.
Atletismo.
Athletics.
Basketball.
Basketball.
Baseball.
The next one is an idiom.
Okay.
So a phrase with a unique and special meaning.
He is in trouble. He is in cold water.
Oh, and it's not. So the answer is he's in hot water.
Yeah.
It means he's in trouble, like a politician who says something inappropriate
Okay.
and then has many
it's
problems.
Because here we say he is on a cold. Ele está em uma fria.
Ah,
So
so
it's opposite.
so maybe I tricked you.
Yeah.
Okay, you hit the. You're exactly right. You hit the nail on the head.
Well done. Excellent. Yeah, so if someone says something that you really agree with, you think, "Oh, that's right." You can say, "Wow, you hit the nail on the head."
Making a you are making a storm of the wind.
It's a good guess, but it's not. It's you're making a mountain
A mountain.
out of a molehill.
I'm pulling your.
Arm, maybe.
It's not. No.
I'm pulling your.
Leg, maybe.
Or neck. No, no sé. Nunca escuché esta.
I don't know this one.
That's okay. So in English, if you say, "Oh, I'm just joking with you," I'm just pulling your leg.
Leg. Ah, okay.
So I won't reveal my secrets. I won't spill the tongue.
It's a good guess, but it's not correct. It is the
Oh, come on.
it is the beans. Yeah, it's to spill the beans to reveal a secret. So I was going to do a bungee jump, but I got scared and I changed my mind. I got feet.
Cold?
Correct. Well done. Very good. Yeah. So this idiom means I don't like it. What's the answer?
Cup of tea.
Very good, yeah.
He let the cat.
Well done, excellent. Yeah, he let the cat out of the bag. He revealed the secret, yes.
Yeah, fuel.
Well done, yeah, well done. He added fuel to the fire, which means he made the situation worse.
Yeah.
Very good.
He died. He kicked the bucket.
Yes, very good. He kicked the bucket, Carinha. Well done. Can you use the word in brackets, leaves, and can you rewrite the second sentence so it's got the same meaning as the first one? So both sentences are the same.
Okay, I feel completely exhausted when I'm listening to Eric for half an hour. Talking to Eric makes me completely exhausted.
Can you use the word leaves?
Leaves. Half an hour talking to Eric leaves me completely exhausted.
Amazing, well done, it's correct, yeah, and actually that was, I think, the most difficult question, so very well done. Your grammar,
Thank you so much.
I think your grammar is fantastic, well done.
Thank you.
I think that Helen's brother stole the money. Helen's brother is thought to have stolen the money.
But can you use the word suspected in your
Okay,
sentence?
okay, I get it, okay. Helen's brother is suspected of stealing the money.
Well done. I'll give you a clue. After over an hour, there was...
The answer for me, I don't know. I don't know that that's right, but the answer for me, after over an hour, over an hour to her or for her. I don't know right.
That's okay. So the answer is, after over an hour, there was no sign of her.
No sign of her. So okay.
Person thinks she's really clever, but she's isn't.
Her son isn't as clever as he thinks he is.
Sí, her son isn't.
Clever as he thinks he is.
Can you use the word half as well?
Okay.
Her son isn't.
Her son isn't.
Is clever half.
A half clever.
She thinks he is.
One more time, you're very close.
Oh, very close. Her son isn't a half clever than
Es muy largo. She
he thinks he is.
You're,
It's difficult.
it's a difficult one because I am the grammar goat. It's the answer is her son isn't half as clever as.
Hay que combinar las dos.
As beautiful as each other. Mandy is beaters or homorser. I never seen this. This is a verb right there. A bit. It's like bit.
So I'll give you the answer. It's Mandy is every bit as beautiful as her mother.
Every bit as beautiful. Okay, makes sense. Of course.
She is my because I don't know.
That's okay. The answer is my mother lost her temper with me.
Oh, lost it. Oh, okay.
So it means my mother became very angry with me.
Yeah.
He stands little chance of winning.
Yes, of winning.
Winning.
Diego, amazing. Diego, well done.
They have downpour brought the picnic to an opera, and they had to cancel.
Oh, yes. Well, there's a phrasal verb in English with cut. Do you know it? And it means to, like, stop doing an activity.
Cut it off.
Oh, nearly. It's cut short. Cut short. So this one would be, they had to cut the picnic short because of the heavy downpour.
Okay.
Wait, you want me to like rewrite this?
Yes.
And at dark.
Yes.
My sister didn't like my dark's mom present. Present, I mean.
It's a good guess. It's a good guess, but it's not correct. So it's my sister kept me in the dark about mum's present.
It's very difficult, man.
It is difficult, Kevin.
Yes.
Please try.
Everything went to plan during.
Karin, yeah, you're correct. Perfect.
Yes.
Very, very well done. Excellent. It was lovely to meet you. Thank you very much for doing my quiz.
Lovely to meet you too.
Very, very well done. You have won, Greg, the grammar goat. Well done.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. But thank you so much for doing my quiz and
Thank
for
you.
stopping. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
Very well done, guys. You did very, very well. And thank you for doing my quiz. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank
to meet
so
you.
much.
Thank
Nice
you. Katerina, thank you so much for doing my quiz. You did really well. It's very kind of you to stop and talk to me.
Yeah, thank you. It was really fun to be part of it.
Thank you so much. Diego, very well done. 4 out of 4. You have won Greg the Grammar Goat. Well done.
Nice, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, Diego. And really nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you as well. Thank you.
You did really, really well, Pedro. Thank
you.
you for taking part in my quiz. Thank you so much. Thank you. Karina, very, very well done. You have won Greg the Grammar Goat. Well done.
Thank you. I love it.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye from Rio.